Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Michael here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful car. It's a 1968 GTO. It's got the stock original motor in it. It's got a Ram Air 3-cam, Holley 650 carburetor, Edelbrock Torquer 2 manifold. I think we also have the original carb and original intake. It's a turbo 400. It's got a 342 POSI with a 12-bolt rear. Interior is all original. It's got air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, remote mirror, rear defrogger. It's got a HURST his and hers shifter. Another cool thing, it's got the HIDEAWAY headlights. Really nice. It's got a Kenwood stereo, original rims with like new tires. And the paint is beautiful. It's a Deltron black. It's got some odometer gauges in it. We have some original parts back here as well. Original steering wheel. Looks like the original valve covers. There's your original intake and carburetor. And it's a beautiful, nice, straight car. Black with the buckets. You can see all the body panels line up really nice. Hideaways work beautiful. Beautiful interior, really nice carpet, seats, center console. Love the steering wheel. It's a 3-spoke, looks like an original steering wheel, simulated wood. Showing 73,927 miles on the odometer. Dash is in really nice shape. His and hers shifter. Really nice center console. It's got all the belts in it too. These are all original GM belts. Very nice headliner. Door panels are beautiful. Under the hood we got the matching motor, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. Got a set of headers running out. Sounds really nice. Again, the interior is beautiful. Show you the trunk. Really nice trunk. A little amp back there as well. We got the spare. Beautiful car.
What year is it?
Well guys, thanks for joining us today. It's Michael from WeBe Autos. You can call us directly at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our website. That's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.